Today we will discuss history's next chapter, India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. Before Shivaji Maharaj, there were some regional powers working in India. Out of these, some dynasties we have studied in Standard 6. Here in this table, I have mentioned the most influential kings of that dynasty. Pal dynasty was working in Bengal and the king was Gopal. Gurjar, Parihar, Gadwal and Parmar, these dynasties were working in central India and North India and the kings were Rajput. Chauhan was in North India and the king was Prithviraj Chauhan. Chola dynasty was in Tamil Nadu and the kings were Rajaraj I and Rajendra I. Hoysal was in Karnataka and the king was Vishnuvardhan. Rashtrakuta was in Maharashtra and the kings were Govind III and Krishna III. Shilahar was in Konkan, Kolhapur, Sangli and Satara. Yadavas was in Maharashtra and the king was Bilam V. As India was famous for its wealth, so that many invaders were attacking on us. Invasion or invaders means outside powers were attacking on us. Muhammad bin Qasim attacked on Sindh province in 18th century CE. Now this Sindh province is in Pakistan. Turks attack on India in 11th century. Sultan Muhammad of Ghazni, who attacked on India many times, the places like temples of Mathura, Vrindavan, Kanauj and Somnath. These invaders looted India. Delhi Sultanate. Muhammad Ghori was same kind of invader who attacked on India and started Sultanate in Delhi. In 1175, he became the first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate. He was on rule up to 1178 CE. For the governance of Delhi Sultanate, he appointed Qutbuddin Aibak. After the death of Muhammad Ghori, Qutbuddin Aibak started working independently. Ibrahim Lodi was the last ruler and Delhi Sultanate was working up to 1526 CE. After Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Razia Sultan, Bulban, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firuz Tughlaq, these were the rulers came on rule. Kingdom of Vijayanagara. Taking advantages of revolt against the Tughlaq, Harihar and Bukka founded Vijayanagara in 1336 CE. Hampi was their capital. Bukka became the first king and after him Harihar succeeded the throne. Succeeded, it means became the king after somebody. Krishnadevaraya was the most influential king of Vijayanagara. He came on rule in 1509 CE. This is Harihar and Bukka. Krishnadevaraya. He extended the Vijayanagara kingdom. He was a great scholar. He had written Amukta Malayada in Telugu language. Hazar Ram temple, Vitthal temple was built in his reign. The world famous Tenali Raman, the scholar, was from his court. This is Krishnadevaraya. This is the temple from his reign. This is Tenali Raman. And you have heard the stories of Tenali Raman and Krishnadevaraya. This is Ram Raya, the last king of Vijayanagara kingdom. Like Vijayanagara kingdom, Bahamani kingdom also started because of the revolt against Tughlaq. The founder was Hasan Gangu and Bahamani kingdom came on rule in 1347 CE. Gulbarga was their capital. Muhammad Gawan was chief wazir. He brought discipline in army and opened madrasa. After the death of Gawan, due to conflicts, Bahmani kingdom was disintegrated into 5 kingdoms: Imad Shahi of Warhad, Barid Shahi of Bidar, Adil Shahi of Bijapur, Nizam Shahi of Ahmednagar, Qutub Shahi of Golconda. Thank you.